Hey there, only a few days left before our big webinar. You are registered for Women, Wisdom, and Wealth Ready, Set, Retire workshop. And if you haven't registered, you definitely want to get over there and get that registration done today. It's a few days before the workshop. I'm preparing for you ladies. I cannot wait to share this fail proof retirement checklist. It's going to cover everything from how do you make sure you're creating a income stream that you can't outlive. So we're going to talk about how to convert those 401ks, that IRA into what I call a personal private pension. We're also going to talk about one of the major pieces to a retirement plan, and that is healthcare. How do you make sure that you're planning for the unexpected healthcare costs? We're going to talk about taxes. Oh my gosh, we already know the taxes are getting ready to go up. What's that going to do to your retirement plan? And yes, we're going to touch base on Social Security and how to make sure you understand when and how to take it. There's some new changes that just came out for Social Security. So we're going to talk about those as well. So, again, ladies, I can't wait. Our workshop's coming up January the 13th, 2022. Please share, like someone else that you know that's getting ready for retirement and have unanswered questions. They have got to be on the webinar as well. So, again, I look forward to seeing you on January the 13th for our Ready, Set, Retire workshop.